Hello and welcome to this edition of the Impact Weather Briefing for Central Alabama. I'm National Weather Service meteorologist Gary Goggins. This briefing will continue to focus on the possibility of severe storms. The potential window for severe storms could range from Tuesday afternoon all the way through early Wednesday morning. As a deepening surface low and cold front approach central Alabama on Tuesday, forecast trends have continued to indicate that we'll have ingredients necessary for severe storm development. Timing uncertainty still exists with this system, and we're still looking at a large window for the possibility of severe storms. Starting out Tuesday afternoon and early Tuesday evening, the western half of central Alabama will see the possibility of severe storms as the surface low pressure continues to deepen and race off to the northeast over Mississippi. Damaging straight line winds and isolated tornado will be the primary threats. The other threat that we haven't mentioned with the system just yet will be the potential for heavy rainfall, as moisture levels will be very high for late December. That heavy rainfall could lead to some localized flooding. The possibility for severe storms will spread across all of central Alabama from 6 p.m. to as late as 6 a.m. as the cold front sweeps across the state. The cold front is expected to be around the Interstate 65 corridor by 3 to 5 a.m., with the severe weather risk across the eastern counties coming to an end behind the cold front. Far eastern counties will continue to have a risk of severe storms through 6 a.m. Once again, damaging straight line winds with an isolated tornado or two will be possible, along with locally heavy rainfall. Now, all this being said, we do have some reservations with this forecast, as plenty of uncertainties continue to linger. Questions remain about how unstable the air mass will be due to the possibility of clouds and rain throughout the day on Tuesday that could limit the severe potential. Also, there could be a possibility of a large complex of storms developing along the Gulf Coast, and that could essentially cut us off from the greatest moisture and instability before the front arrives. As we get closer to Tuesday, we'll continue to refine this forecast based on the latest information, so please check back often for the latest updates. With severe storms continuing in the forecast, it's probably a good time to make sure you review your severe weather safety plan, including your means of receiving severe weather information. As always, make sure to stay weather aware with the latest forecast over the next couple of days. And our social media feeds are a great way to stay weather aware, so check us out on Facebook or Twitter if you haven't already, or for the latest info leading up to the possible severe weather on Tuesday. Also, you can give us a call anytime at 205-664-3010. Thanks for viewing this briefing. Have a great day.